Hi everyone, this is Rick, and this is my organic mushroom grow kit. I'm trying to get a second fruiting, second flushing, I forget what they call it, but what I did was I flipped it over, and this is the back side, and I have been misting it for over a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, and I hadn't been seeing much. As you can see, it's shrunk because I harvested some from the other side, you know, and we made barbecue out of that. And that barbecue was a lot better tasting than the oyster mushrooms we got from the Chinese grocery store or Asian grocery store. The mushrooms were tougher, chewier, and you don't see much. I don't see any mushrooms, and it says it takes 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know if it's been quite two weeks. And so you look over here, I don't see any mushrooms. Starting just as dry. And then I looked here, and I saw that right there. See those mushrooms? And then when I noticed those, I saw these at the bottom. And they're coming from the side and the bottom. And then when I noticed those, you can see tiny ones starting to grow. See those little bitty ones? So they're starting, and there are the mushrooms down there at the bottom. And over here on the side, let's see about this side. Yeah, there's some mushrooms on the side growing over there. See that? But not so much here at the top, but you can see some. See that one? And it says the more you spray this time, the more you're going to get. So, the more you spray water, the more water it gets, the more mushrooms you're going to get. So, I've been spraying these more than twice a day. 3 times a day. See my mushrooms down there? So, we'll see how this does on the second fruiting. Thank you for watching.